Brent Reynolds.
We're here with Wes Bookers, Sharon Austin.
I'm here with Brooke Laughlin. All right, so I'm here with Zach Green.
All right, we're here with Callie Davis.
Brooke Adams, and I'm a senior.
Okay, so one of our questions today, what is heavier, a pound of cotton or a pound of stone?
Stone.
Stone.
They're the same weight. I would say pound of stone.
Pound of stone.
What?
Heavier. Donuts are 12 cents a dozen. How many does 100 donuts cost?
I don't care.
That's a viable answer.
Okay. You're running your
still gonna eat them?
Hey, you're running a
Still
race.
eat them.
Wait.
12 cents a dozen.
Dozen?
12. Let's work through this. 12 cents a dozen.
How much is a dozen?
Yeah, no, or no,
And how much
100
is-
donuts?
how
12
many
cents
are-
a dozen. How much are 100 donuts?
$122.
How many terms did Ben Franklin serve as president?
Zero.
One, two.
One term.
One term.
Yeah.
Dude, I'm not the answer. What kind of questions is
This
this?
is just
What kind of questions?
normal
How many
questions.
terms?
How many terms did Ben
terms?
Franklin serve as president?
As president?
Yes.
U.S. president?
Yes.
Or president of
U.S. president.
zero? I believe.
Good job, you're picking
10
up.
towns the time.
That's good. That's good.
Two, I don't know.
It's a good guess. It's a good guess.
Was Ben Franklin a president?
I don't know.
I don't think so.
Okay.
One more question.
Oh God, I don't know. I can't be on the spot.
All right, we got
Alright.
Wes over here
Alright.
trying to give hints.
Which of the three?
Stop! I don't like this.
Hey, here's one more question. Which of the three states has the highest population?
I don't
LA,
know.
Chicago, or Boston?
It makes me look
Chicago. 13 puppies, all are. Somebody has a collection of puppies, probably yours.
What does that mean?
Just a big basket of puppies.
Oh, that's
13.
fantastic.
puppies.
Yeah,
All
you
but 8 died.
Oh my.
How many are left?
Puppies died?
How many are left?
5. Oh my
Nice.
gosh.
All but 8.
5.
13 puppies. All but 8 die.
How many are left?
5.
Five?
Okay.
Oh, no. All but 8 die. Oh, that's a trick question. Why?
Okay.
You got it. You got it. That's good. That's
5.
all but 8 died.
Yeah. How many are left? Okay. Say the last
Good
5
try.
letters of the alphabet in order. You have 5 seconds.
X, Y, Z. No. That was the other way.
That's 3. That's 3.
That's 3.
That's 3.
Okay. That's
And that was
That
the
was
right
like-
way.
That was the right way?
You're the right way.
That was good effort. That's
Okay,
good.
that's fine.
Okay.
That's fine.
CXY. Oh, Y.
That was good. You got 3. You got 3. You got 3.
Oh my God.
That's 5 seconds.
I can't do it.
Okay.
WXYZ. I don't know. CY2. I give up. I don't know.
A plane crashes between the border of Georgia and Florida. Where do they bury the survivors? Where do they bury them?
Alabama? I don't know.
So a mutual state. There's a mutual state involved in this deal.
Yeah.
Okay.
It wasn't in that state, so.
In whichever one they wanted?
That's awful.
Where did they bury the survivors?
Oh man. I don't know. Where did they?
You answer it.
You tell me.
I don't know. That's why I'm asking you.
Why would I know?
Okay, we'll move on.
In a cemetery.
In Georgia, Florida.
Florida.
Okay.
Georgia.
All right. Your mom has 4 kids. North, east, south. What is the 4th kid's name?
Oh, it's easy.
Kanye.
West.
Alright.
No, you're the 4th kid. You get it?
Your mom has
There's
4
4
kids?
kids.
Northeast,
North,
south.
east,
Smart.
Smart. All right.
That's good. That's good.
Where are these
Brooke
going?
was struggling.
This is on a
It was
YouTube
so
channel.
funny.
Kids, so the last one has to be you.
Yeah.
Saint
So it's northeast, south, and Harrison.